Welcome to the EX200 version 9, version 10 prep exam. Let's just cut to the chase and go right to it. So question 5 or task 5 is create a directory for collaboration named common admin and configure it as follows. So this is, I just made up. I don't really remember but the same thing. And this is actually accurate. So the group owner of the directory is a group admin. The directory should be readable, writable, and accessible to the members of admin, and no other. Root is root. So you know that root is root, so leave root out of this, okay? New files created must belong to the admin group, okay? The group owner must be at the admin group that you just created on previous task. The directory should be readable, writable, and accessible to the members of the admin, and no others. Root is root. New files created must belong to the admin group. So this is group ID, right? And all the rest is pretty obvious. So this is a very close approximation of what the exam will be. I hope this preps you and you have success on your certification career. Cool. Let's start by creating the directory mkdir -p and what I call it, common admin. Cool. Now let's give it to the admin group. Change group admin common admin. That's done. And the directory should be readable, writable, and accessible to the members of the admin group and no others. Root is root. Cool. So chmod 770, for example. This will just fulfill the needs they want. Common admin. And chmod g+s/common admin. Cool. So ls -l. Okay, there we go. It's perfectly fine, and the common it's also great. The common, there is it. There it is. There it is. Okay, so let's go there. It's empty, so let's touch EX200 exam. ls -l. And there we go. So the admin group, it's the actual owner, like they do. New files created on the admin group. And everything is just as they expect it to be. So that was question 5. Go back and watch your video if you want to watch your video and get some more details. I really hope this video series helps you out with your certification path. I really hope this helps you out to pass the EX200 exam. And of course, to get all the knowledge you can get from all these video series. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.